Oh.
That time. Well, I'll keep doing it. Boring. But oh.
All right, we're ready for you, Foo.
That was pretty good. Ow.
Oh, you're.
He likes vegetable oil. So do I. Oh.
All right, do you want to do the slide bit now, Dave? Break it, and then you're okay.
Don't think about it. Oh my god! That was so perfect.
I did not.
Oh!